Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're going to be doing a hair tea, okay, using fenugreek seed, rosemary and lavender, okay, for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share and comment. So we need a clean jar and I'll be measuring my fenugreek seed and other ingredients to be using. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of each of these ingredients, okay. So loves, you guys know that we have been on fenugreek seed journey for quite some time, and I have been seeing results and I have been seeing a lot of questions. With due time I will do well to answer most of the questions I have been seeing. So besties, I'm just going to be adding a teaspoon of rosemary as well. I'll be dropping the benefits of all these ingredients I am using on the screen to show you how beneficial these are to our hair. Okay, so please enjoy the rest of the video and watch the video to the end as well. I really do appreciate that. So besties, I'm going to be adding hot water and going to leave this thing to sit for 24 hours. This is not the normal tea we do for 8 hours. This is 24 hours, okay. That is why you're seeing a little bit of bubbles on top of it, because it stayed for like 24 hours. All right besties, so I am going to strain it and I'll show you guys how I'm going to be applying this on my hair and every other thing I'll be doing. I'll be taking you guys along. So if you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So this is time for application. I always use a bonnet to put on my hair, and I always have a satin hair tie on my pillow just in case my hair bonnet has removed when I'm sleeping. At least I'm still secured by the satin hair tie that is on my pillow. So that's the two ways I use to protect my hair. So this is my hair, okay guys, without putting the spray on it. My hair is pretty dry, all right. So I am going to be moisturizing and doing all my own moisturizing routine in today's video. So I hope you enjoy it. So I just first of all massage my hair before I start applying this all over my hair. So I won't be using the MSM in this recipe. I'm just going to be putting this all over my hair every single day. Yes. So and after this I'll be putting other things I use on my hair. So besties, as you can see, there's a little bit of growth in my hair. So I know that this fenugreek seed is actually working on my hair. So I'm just going to spray this all over my hair, and I make sure that my hair literally absorb all the whole tea. Mixing these three ingredients together is a is a growth booster. Okay, so the next thing I did is to use my scalp massager to massage everything. Sorry, it's a bit fast because I fast forward the video. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my scalp massager. I did this in a gentle mode, but because I fast forwarded the video, that's why it looks fast. So please massage your hair gently. Okay, so after this I massage everywhere on my hair before I move to my next routine. Yes, I'm going to use my tea, my hair grease. This is a mixture of I did a video about it anyway. I'm going to put it here, go check it out. So this is the hair grease I always use on my hair anytime I put anytime I do a tea. This is the hair grease I use. I feel my front edges is very stubborn for it to grow, because my back hair, like, I'll put a picture of when my back hair was really bad. So this is my back hair. It has grown back. So let you guys can see. So I feel my front edges is really stubborn. I don't know, but I'm going to look for a way around it. So I'm going to add my oil, just a little bit of oil. Then my butter. This butter. I need to put inside freezer because it's already melting. I'll leave it inside the freezer. I think it's better that way, because I kept it in my fridge and my fridge is having some technical issue. It's not cooling, so I think I'll leave it inside the freezer so that it will be freezed and so it does not spoil. So don't forget the ends of your hair, they are important. I know, right? Some of my hair this is long, this is short, because this is growth. If I lose it now and replace it, it will be longer than this. So this is growth. I lose this, I was doing a challenge with this one. So this one is growth. So if I lose this now and replace it, it will be as long as this one. So anyway, I'm done for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. And yeah guys, so this is the week 6 or week 7 or week 6 or week 7 tea. I don't know, either week 6 or week 7 tea. I've lost count. Maybe if I say week 7 as I was editing it, or you know it's week 7, but if I say it's week 6 as I'm editing it, it's week 6. But I'll check my previous video to know the tea I did previously. Then this should be the next tea. Okay, yeah, the tea I did previously was the, which tea did I do? I did 2 weeks, and that one I think I'll put a picture of that tea I did previously. So after that tea, this is the next tea. So I think we have another one more tea to do to make it 8 teas I have done in these 2 months using fenugreek seed. But anyway, till the month is ended. Today is 11th of October, so till the month is ended, that is when I will lose all this goodness and show you guys our results. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my besties in my next one.